What's up guys, it's me Harshini, and today I am going to try these chicken and tomato flavored Lay's. Never had these before in my life. Wanted to try it myself, but it was in my brother's car, so. But it's best before April 19. It's not going to taste as good, so I don't know. It'll still probably taste good, but I don't think it's expired. I hope it's not. So yeah, let's try this out. They're Chinese chicken. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. Why does it smell like coffee press? You know what this tastes like? Chicken broth. Like tomatoes. It tasted like tomatoes. Not like ketchup tomatoes, but like it tastes like kind of like tomato soup in that sort of way. Not bad. Not the best. Yeah. Not my favorite, but kind of tastes like. I'll still eat them, but when I get it, but yeah, they taste like kind of like tomato soup. They're okay. They're not too bad, but yeah, I didn't taste any chicken really. Yeah, they kind of taste like tomato chicken soup kind of. So yeah, these were Chinese Lay's. I think they're Chinese. Yeah, they're supposed to be sweet. Yeah, that's my taste test. So would I buy these again? No. Would I still eat them? Yes. But would I still buy them? No. So, yeah. That was my chicken tomato Lay's taste test. So yeah, bye guys.